How to file a claim on the Nationwide app. Let's get started. First up, make sure you have already downloaded Nationwide app on your device. If not, you can head over to the App Store or Play Store and download the app. Then you can launch it, you will land to the login page. Then you have to provide your credentials to log into your account, username and password. Once logged in, locate the Claims or File a Claim section. This is usually accessible from the main menu or dashboard of the app. Select the option to start a new claim. You will be asked to choose the type of claim you are filing: auto, home, personal, property. After you select it, provide all the relevant details of the incident. This typically includes date and time of the incident, location of the incident, description of what happened. Be as detailed as possible to ensure a smooth claim process. The app will likely prompt you to upload any relevant photos, damage of the property or vehicle, or documents. Use your phone's camera to take clear photos and upload them directly through the app. Before submitting your claim, review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Once you are sure all the details are correct, submit your claim. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation within the app along with a claim reference number. Keep this number for your records. Nationwide may also follow up via email or phone number to request additional information or to inform you of the next steps. So this is how you can easily file a claim on the Nationwide app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.